Buying a used car can be a great way to save money, but it can also be a gamble, especially if the car you're eyeing has a reputation for engine problems. Consumer Reports recently published a list of the least reliable used cars, and we're here to narrow it down to 10 vehicles notorious for engine troubles. Whether you're worried about expensive repairs or just want to avoid a headache, here's a rundown of the cars with the worst engines. Number 10. 2015 Volvo V60. While Volvo is known for safety and durability, the 2015 V60 stands out for all the wrong reasons when it comes to engine reliability. The main issue centers around faulty piston rings, which can fail early, leading to engine damage. When the rings go bad, they allow oil to enter the combustion chamber, causing internal components to wear quickly. Some owners have reported engine replacements within just a few years of ownership. To make matters worse, issues with the car's electrical system, including frequent battery failures, add to the overall maintenance burden. It may be a safe car in a crash, but its engine is far from robust. Number 9. 2022 Volkswagen Taz. Despite being a relatively new model, the 2022 Volkswagen Taz has already gained a notorious reputation for engine and electrical problems. Owners frequently report engine stalls at traffic lights or while driving on the highway, leaving them in potentially dangerous situations. Even more concerning is that in some cases, the engine shuts off entirely without warning. Additionally, oil consumption issues stemming from faulty breather systems and piston rings have been a major source of frustration. Transmission problems also plague this compact SUV, with reports of jerky shifting and complete transmission failures. Number 8. 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe is a popular mid-size SUV. It's been marred by serious engine knocking issues caused by damaged bearings. This problem often leads to complete engine failure, sometimes at relatively low mileage. The issue is worsened by engine oil leaks that are difficult to detect, as the oil burns off on the exhaust. Owners may only realize there's a problem when it's too late, and the engine has already suffered catastrophic damage. Hyundai eventually issued recalls to address the problem, but many owners had already faced the hefty cost of engine replacements. Additionally, Hyundai's Theta Type I engines used in this model were the subject of multiple class action lawsuits due to their widespread defects. With a Consumer Report score of 20 out of 100, the 2014 Santa Fe is a model to avoid if you're looking for long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. Number 7. 2012 Subaru Forester. Subaru has built a reputation for durability, especially among adventure enthusiasts, but the 2012 Forester comes with major engine reliability issues. Many owners report excessive oil consumption, where the engine burns through oil at an alarming rate without any visible leaks. This problem is often so severe that owners need to add oil at every fuel stop. The constant need for oil is not just an inconvenience, it can lead to engine damage if not addressed. Another common issue with the 2012 Forester is premature catalytic converter failure, which can trigger check engine lights and cause the vehicle to fail emissions tests. Subaru did replace some engines under warranty, but once the warranty period ends, the cost of an engine rebuild or replacement can be staggering. Number 6. 2021 Kia Soul. The 2021 Kia Soul is known for its quirky design and affordability, but its engine reliability has been a nightmare for many owners. The common issue is the failure of the piston rings, which are supposed to seal oil out of the combustion chamber. When they fail, it leads to severe cylinder wall damage, often requiring complete engine replacements. To make matters worse, the car's auto start/stop system has been known to malfunction, causing the engine to stall unexpectedly at traffic lights or fail to restart. Kia issued recalls for some of these issues, but many owners have still faced major repair bills. The 2021 model year Soul also experienced a high number of oil leaks that, in some cases, led to engine fires. Number 5. 2017 Buick Encore. The 2017 Buick Encore comes with a 1.4 liters turbocharged engine that sounds good on paper, but has proven unreliable in practice. Turbocharger failures are common, often occurring well before the vehicle hits 100,000 miles. When the turbo fails, the engine becomes sluggish and unresponsive, struggling to accelerate. Repairing or replacing the turbocharger is an expensive fix, and that's only part of the story. The engine is also prone to ignition coil failures, which can cause erratic engine performance and, in some cases, complete shutdowns. On top of that, timing chain issues and engine sludge buildup can further reduce the engine's lifespan. These problems have earned the 2017 Buick Encore a poor Consumer Reports reliability score, making it a risky choice for used car buyers looking to avoid costly repairs. Number 4. 2018 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler is known for its off-road prowess, but the 2018 model year comes with serious engine reliability problems that have frustrated even the most loyal Jeep fans. One of the biggest issues is engine oil leaks, which can lead to overheating and, if not caught in time, severe engine damage. The leaks are often accompanied by cooling system failures, meaning your Wrangler could overheat while you're off-roading, leaving you stranded. Additionally, electrical issues with the engine, including frequent misfires and stalling, have been widespread. Even die-hard Jeep enthusiasts have reported needing major engine repairs within the first few years of ownership. With a Consumer Reports reliability score of 11 out of 100, the 2018 Wrangler may be capable of tackling tough terrain, but it might not be able to bring you back home without a visit to the mechanic. Number 3. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid was supposed to revolutionize the minivan market with its eco-friendly technology, but it has fallen short due to serious reliability issues with its hybrid system. The main problem lies in the hybrid battery, which has been known to fail at low mileage, leaving the vehicle stuck in limp mode or inoperable altogether. Replacing the battery can cost thousands of dollars, making the Pacifica Hybrid one of the most expensive minivans to own in terms of long-term maintenance. Additionally, there have been reports of fires caused by faulty charging ports, leading to multiple recalls. This minivan may seem like a green choice, but it could cost you a fortune in repairs down the road. Number 2. 2019 Audi A6. The Audi A6 has long been a symbol of luxury and performance, but the 2019 model year comes with a host of engine and electrical issues that make it a risky purchase. Audi's turbocharged 2.0 liters and 3.0 liters engines promise great performance, but they are plagued by alternator failures and serious mechanical problems. One of the most common issues is engine bearing failure, which can cause pistons to malfunction and damage the engine cylinder walls, leaving drivers stranded with no way to restart the car. Even if the car is under warranty, repairs can be incredibly expensive due to Audi's high-cost parts and labor. The 2019 Audi A6 received a poor reliability score from Consumer Reports, making it a risky option for anyone considering a luxury setting. Number 1. 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. Topping our list is the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban, a massive family SUV with serious engine reliability issues. The Suburban's V8 engine, which has historically been bulletproof, has been plagued by problems due to GM's attempt to improve fuel efficiency with the active fuel management system. This system relies on complex lifters that control the engine's displacement, but these lifters have been known to fail, causing everything from engine misfires to complete engine failure. Owners have reported needing major engine repairs within the first few years of ownership, and Consumer Reports gave the 2021 Suburban a reliability score of just 7 out of 100. Thanks for sticking with us until the end. We hope this video helped you avoid some engine nightmares with your next car purchase. If you've had any experiences with unreliable cars or have other vehicles you'd add to the list, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.